Tesla doesn't give you a good spot to mount your phone. And while the built-in charger works, it's not great when you need navigation right in front of you. And in this video, I'm going to be installing the MagSafe Magnetic Phone Mount that folds away and attaches directly to the Tesla screen. This mount is designed for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, works with iPhone 12 through 15, and has a strong MagSafe connection. What makes it unique? It folds away behind the screen when you're not using it, so it looks clean and minimal. First, wipe down the back of the Tesla screen with the included alcohol wipes. You want it clean so the adhesive sticks firmly. Next, use the included ruler to measure the exact spot where this mount is going to be placed. It's built like a square so that you mount it exactly where it needs to go. So it's not too far out to the right, not too far out in, or too far up. Make sure to align the edges to the top and side of your Tesla screen. Next, peel the adhesive backing and press the mount base firmly into the back of the screen. Hold it for about 30 seconds to secure it. Once you feel the adhesive is secured, start peeling the paper ruler around it without removing the mount. Now, clip on the foldable arm. It swings out from behind the screen and locks into position. In order to extend or rotate the mount, press this middle button in the back. Place your iPhone with the MagSafe. You'll feel the strong magnetic pull. You can tilt and rotate for the perfect angle. When you're not using the mount, simply fold it behind the screen. It's invisible from the front, super clean, and doesn't look cluttered. After testing it, this phone mount feels solid, holds my phone securely even on rough roads, and looks like it belongs in the car. For about $30 to $35, I say absolutely worth it. And that's how you install it. If you want a mount like this one, check out the links in the description below. I've also left some discount codes for you to save yourself some money. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more how-to videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Bye.